Welcome back to Trendz TV, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we are exploring a car that perfectly combines elegance, technology, and performance, the 2026 Volvo S90. This luxury sedan embodies Scandinavian sophistication with a modern twist, giving drivers a refined experience that balances comfort and innovation. The S90 has always been a statement of Volvo's commitment to quality and safety, and the 2026 model elevates that reputation with advanced technology, improved design, and refined driving dynamics. Whether you're considering a daily commuter or a long-distance cruiser, the S90 promises to deliver on every front. Let's start by examining the exterior, because the first impression of this car is truly captivating. Exterior from the front, the 2026 S90 presents an assertive yet elegant stance. The grille is large, wide, and features the iconic Volvo iron mark centered perfectly, giving the car a distinguished appearance. The headlights are sleek, sharp, and feature the signature Taurus hammer-LED daytime running lights, which not only enhance visibility but also give the S90 a futuristic and recognizable front fascia. The sculpted front bumper includes subtle air intakes that hint at the car's performance capabilities while maintaining a clean and sophisticated look. The hood stretches gracefully toward the windshield, creating a seamless flow that adds to the car's aerodynamic efficiency. This front view communicates both luxury and confidence, signaling that this is a sedan meant for those who appreciate attention to detail and style. Moving to the side, the S90 maintains a refined, elegant profile. Its silhouette is smooth, with gently flowing character lines that run from the front fender to the rear, giving a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The roofline slopes subtly toward the back, offering a near-coupe aesthetic while preserving excellent headroom for rear passengers. Chrome accents surround the windows add sophistication, while the wheel options, ranging from 18 to 21 inches, allow for a blend of elegance and sporty flair. The side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamic, integrating turn signals seamlessly into their design. This side view reflects Volvo's philosophy of understated elegance, proving that simplicity, when executed properly, can make the car appear effortlessly luxurious and modern. At the rear, the Volvo S90 continues to impress with a look that's both bold and polished. The taillights carry Volvo's signature L shape, stretching onto the trunk lid and creating a wide, confident stance. The trunk itself is spacious and practical, featuring a low loading height that enhances usability. Integrated dual exhaust outlets add a subtle hint of sportiness without disrupting the sedan's sophisticated aesthetic. The Volvo badge is proudly displayed at the center of the trunk, and the S90 nameplate reinforces the car's premium status. Every angle of the exterior reflects Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy, where form and function meet seamlessly to create a vehicle that is visually stunning and practical at the same time. Interior. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 S90 is where luxury meets technology in the most thoughtful way. Volvo has always excelled at creating serene, comfortable cabins, and this model takes that concept to the next level. The seats are upholstered in soft, high-quality Nappa leather, providing exceptional support for both short trips and long journeys. Front seats offer heating, ventilation, and even massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for driver and passenger alike. Ambient lighting is thoughtfully placed throughout the cabin, providing a warm, inviting atmosphere during nighttime driving. The dashboard is dominated by a vertically oriented touchscreen that serves as the central hub for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Volvo's latest operating system ensures smooth performance and intuitive controls, minimizing distraction while driving. Physical buttons are kept to a minimum but strategically placed for essential functions, such as climate control. The steering wheel is perfectly weighted, offering a combination of comfort and control, while the digital instrument cluster behind it is fully customizable, providing the driver with precise information at a glance. Materials throughout the cabin are premium, featuring soft touch surfaces, fine wood door metal accents, and meticulous craftsmanship. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, reclining seats, and their own climate controls, making long drives effortless and enjoyable. Performance under the hood. The 2026 Volvo S90 offers a choice of engines designed to suit various driving preferences. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, the T8 plug-in hybrid model combines a turbocharged and supercharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing impressive performance while offering a limited all-electric range. This hybrid setup allows for nearly silent city driving while reducing emissions, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The S90 handles exceptionally well, with a suspension system that balances comfort and dynamic performance. The steering is precise, brakes are confident, and available all-wheel drive ensures stability in varying road conditions. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the S90 feels composed, responsive, and refined. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volvo S90 offers strong value in the competitive luxury sedan segment. The base model is reasonably priced, delivering a luxurious driving experience without compromise. Mid-tier trims add premium features, advanced driver assistance systems, and enhanced interior comforts. The T8 plug-in hybrid commands a higher price, but it provides a compelling combination of performance, technology, and efficiency. Volvo also offers numerous packages and customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the S90 to their personal tastes. Whether it's selecting different interior materials, wheel designs, or advanced tech features, the S90 ensures that each owner can make it uniquely theirs. In conclusion, the 2026 Volvo S90 is a luxury sedan that excels in design, technology, comfort, and performance. Every aspect of the vehicle reflects Volvo's commitment to creating safe, elegant, and innovative cars. From the bold front grille and distinctive headlights to the meticulously crafted interior and advanced powertrain options, the S90 offers a driving experience that is both refined and exhilarating. It is ideal for those who value luxury without excess, for those who want cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrated into a serene and elegant cabin. The S90 proves that Volvo's approach to Scandinavian luxury is both timeless and forward-thinking. It is a car that commands attention while remaining understated and classy, offering safety, comfort, and performance in a well-rounded package. That's it for our detailed review of the 2026 Volvo S90 here on Trendz TV. If you loved this review and want to see more in-depth looks at the latest cars, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let us know in the comments which car you want us to review next. This is Trendz TV, bringing you closer to the cars you dream about, with every detail covered. Until next time, drive safe, enjoy the ride, and keep your passion for cars alive.